welcome back to S Group S channel. I'm too used to S Group S channel, which is my previous name. But today we are going to be teaching you guys how to use a typewriter. And also, I've started writing a book about my channel on the typewriter, so feel free to read it while the video is in. I know some spelling mistakes and stuff like that in there, but that was because I accidentally pressed the wrong keys. And yeah, it's my first try. Okay, let's get on with the video. But before we start the video, let's show you guys what we love. We'd love you to like, subscribe to S Group S channel if you're new, and share the video. I forgot to tell you guys, you have 5 seconds to do it. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. Guys, this is it. It's not a replica, it's real. I didn't get this online or from anybody I know. It's at one of my family members' house. It has not been used for 30 years. So, you've got this, which moves the page. The page is inserted through, you see, this hole right there. Don't worry if, let's say, this gets stuck. Put your finger in there and boom. You can remove this if you want. Like that. And you have to do this too. Because, yeah, then you won't. This button, this is a shift like on computers. If you press that and you just press a button at the same time. This is the space bar. We've got it here. Don't worry if these two get stuck like this. You just press that button and you're all done. This moves the page lower. And let's say you're doing this. To move this like this way, you press the space bar and the thing moves. And let's say you've gone too far, like this. You just do this and boom, you're all set. But you can't push that or pull this. You've got to press the space bars or like this. I don't know what these buttons do, so sorry if you don't find this helpful, but whatever. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything you need to see. Have a nice day.